If we can get those two, we're ready to move. All right.
Stop. I'm Echo too, but all my guys are back in the spawn, so.
Okay, let's go. Where's Stronghold at?
Behind. He's coming.
Stronghold. When Stronghold gets up here,
All
we're
right,
moving.
let's try to.
All right, we're gonna start pushing out. All right, start pushing now. We'll wait for him. Go, go, go. Prophet, stay rear. Res us when we need it. You ready? For medic.
Yeah! Are you dead? Oh, yeah, you're dead.
Dude, I'm so brick! I'm sorry, did someone ask for double penetration?
I like it. Red building. Doorway on the left side, window to the right of it. See him?
Yeah.
I'll light him up if you want.
I need to do the Jeff Dunham and go elbow D5.
Hell yeah. Just call me daddy.